Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using the Wix and what now? But you are getting through a problem. You are getting spam submissions. So adding reCAPTCHA can help. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to add reCAPTCHA to Wix Forms in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, all you're gonna do is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, and look for Wix.com in your favorite browser. As for now, we're gonna tap Wix.com. They're gonna take us to the setup page where you should usually log in using your email address and password, the usual stuff. After this, go and tap on design site or edit site. It will take you all the way to the website editor. I will show you how. Design site. Okay, it will load and take you to the new website editor. Okay, we're gonna wait so we can actually select the form. And then we're gonna wait again. Okay, here we are. So basically we are here for example. Okay, let's tap this one, this small button. Let's go to settings for example here. As you see, the menu links to menu, icon only, icon. We have multiple options. We have the settings here for headers. Okay, but let's go to the actual forms. We have also this page, for example. You have multiple options. So all you need to do is open the form settings, click settings, then go to spam filter, enable reCAPTCHA, just toggle it on. Then Wix automatically handles these setups in the background. All we're gonna do now is save them changes. And that's it. That's all we're gonna do basically. Just make sure everything is saved properly. Okay, let's go here for example and see if we can access. We also have these settings here if you want to check it. Connect domain, social share, site password. You can also push a site password if you want to. MS sharpening, you can activate it, and all of these settings. So basically, as I told you, go to your form, tap the three-dot menu, tap on settings, look for reCAPTCHA, enable it, and Wix will automatically take all of the work. All you're gonna do is save it, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.